breath in the hall, big bass, black fog, I can hear it crawl. Cut you like, cut you like.
Alright, prepping this for paint. Gonna put a good layer of primer on it, get it good and rust protected. Alright, that's one layer down. I take and do several more. We'll go ahead and get all the other pieces cleaned up and primed, and we'll go back from there. I have a good base layer on this first portion of the bumper, on the little grill piece and the crossbar. I'm going to move to a place where I can put some good base coats on these two pieces and some bracketry. Really, I'm just trying to get a good coverage for rust prevention. I don't know if I'm going to completely paint the inside or not. Just, again, a good rust preventative coating on this raw metal is all that I'm after. I'm going to do that and come back. Another step down, another step down. Got the first layer of primer on every single piece. Need to take and do the inside of these pieces, the opposite side of those pieces, but these pieces are pretty good. So we're going to get everything done up, flipped over, interiors primed, and then it'll be ready for the first layer of whatever color I want it to be. While I wait for paint to cure, I'm going to take and I'm going to start mocking the bumper up on this thing. This is probably going to need a couple more layers of paint. It's not terrible, it's starting to look pretty good. But I'm going to get these brackets and stuff mocked up to make sure I don't need anything else. Just judging by the way that the instructions are saying to mount it, I think we're going to be okay. So I'm going to get these mounted up and see what it looks like. Another step in the process down. I've got the incorrect amount of bolts counted, and I've got the mounting brackets mounted on the frame of the Titan. Gonna get the bumper mocked up here and get it kind of where it should go. This stuff is cured. It's not the greatest finish right yet. I'm gonna put a couple more layers on it, but being that it's cured to the touch and it's not spongy and pushy anymore, I'm gonna get the pieces, the wings, mounted on. I'm gonna get the back plate right here, the back plate mounted on. Gonna get the bar mounted on, and then get it mocked onto the truck. Got the brackets on the truck. I'm gonna get the bar mounted, or the whole bumper mounted on the truck, and we're gonna see how she turns out, what she looks like. Poke some holes in its back so it can breathe. We got the bumper mocked up, going back through to do some paint correction here, get rid of some of the runs, make the paint look a little bit better. And then we're gonna get it mocked up onto the L Truck A. Let's see what happens. The paint on this thing wasn't exactly coming out the way I liked it. So I went through and kind of cleaned up some of the spots with some primer. I'm gonna go through and repaint. I probably hit a little more sand in here because out in the sun this doesn't look as great. So I'm gonna get this all smooth and throw another layer of paint on it. Here is where we are at on the bumper. I really like the coating finally. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but I don't think anything can really be perfect, but I like the shine on it. I think it looks great. Got some other pieces and parts and doodads and hoopla. Got some stuff there. I get everything mocked up and get this all go back together. Alright, here's the fender. Gaps aren't the greatest, but they're also not terrible considering the entire front end of this thing was smashed to smithereens. So, you can get it and massage it a little better, make the gaps work really good, and go from there. Alright, here we are in this thing. We don't have a second harness because this headlight was missing originally. So I'm going and having to completely manufacture this harness based off of this one. And this is as far as I've gotten so far. So I've got some other connectors coming for the high and the low beam, and we're gonna get this thing back together. Okay, a little further into the harness making process. Look at this monstrosity of wires and shit. Gonna obviously make it look better, but I think we're there. I gotta make these last two connections and I think I've got it, so yay! Well, harness is completo and wrapped up nice and neat like. I just got to route it into these little holders, and honestly it looks better than this harness, but who gives a shit? If it works, it works. I'm good with it. Well, we got some headlights again. I guess I'm not too bad at wiring after all. Oh yeah, nice new shiny fitment, works pretty good on the fender. Body gap's not terrible. It's not too bad for a big ass hit like that. Moving on up. Well, after a little bit of struggle there, the bumper and the grill are mounted. The new headlights are mounted. We're missing this piece on the other side because it was destroyed in the accident. But all in all, it looks pretty dang good. All that's left to do is we've got to mount the lights in the square holes. And this beauty is done. Getting the finishing touches done here. Got some nice ass lights going in, the harness getting routed up. Few more steps and she's complete. This right here is what happens when you work on fuses without being able to see them. You do stupid shit like this and then diagnose why you have no power for 20 minutes. So if you didn't know and you were curious what you do if the freaking fog light circuit doesn't work properly, you make lemonades out of apple juice. That's what you do. You gotta take and run a whole new button and everything. And where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So we got a button ran. Now we just got to feed the wires out in a demure way. That's right. That's right. Very demure, right? So that's what we're working on. Trying to get a harness ran that don't look janky AF. And all is right with the world when we got to peel the blue tape off. Ooh, blinded by the light. Austin is the douche that's wrapped up under the roller in the night. Oh yeah, she looked good. Yeah, hit the other lights. Oh yeah. Big old ugly bolt together bumper that nobody likes except for, I don't know, I like it. Everyone else can kiss my ass. Here it is. All lined up, all cleaned up. Bumper looking really nice. Got the covers back on underneath where they go. Everything all finalized. The only thing that we're missing is this stupid piece of trim here. I have it ordered, but the ones that I got aren't paint match, so we're going to be out of paint match, but I don't think it'll look too bad black. It'll kind of go with the whole theme there. Yeah. She's ready to be picked up.